Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to my kitchen. Not too many people get to come in here, including me. So hopefully for today's video, I can make it feel a little bit special. You know me from videos such as, hey, look at all my comic books, and the rarely seen Ice Bucket Challenge on the Rocky Steps. Hopefully you stayed occupied during the stay-at-home portion of the pandemic. One of the things I've been doing is making smoothies. Every time I cross paths with the smoothie book at the library, I start doing an awning like I'm at a baby shower. I'm taking that book home, can't wait to make that recipe. That's gonna taste good in the morning. And of course they just sit there until it's time to bring them back. Well, with time stopped during the last few weeks, I've actually been making smoothies. And here's one that I'm going to show you today, along with a couple other recipes. It's got some blackberries in there, a couple of blackberries, half a cup of strawberries, although I think that's overflowing a little bit, a banana, some almond milk, and the secret ingredient, nobody ever thought that I would be holding something like this in my hand, spinach. Unless you think it's just a prop. Look at this, it's an empty bag. I've already used this one all up. I got these recipes from Libby and Overdrive. You can download these apps through our website, youcoullibrary.org, or go to your app store or Play Store and get Libby and Overdrive. They're basically the same thing. I start by cutting up some fruit. There's some nice bananas, mangoes, oranges. I've also got strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. Put it in the freezer, and it's waiting when I'm ready. As you can see, there's 132 results for smoothies when you search through Overdrive, so plenty to choose from. There's a couple pretty nice looking books. I chose Skinny Smoothies, Simply Smoothies, and Healthy Smoothies. First, we put in a couple of handfuls of spinach with a cup of almond milk. Blend that up to get everything going. Next, and you really can't see it because of all the blended spinach and milk, I put in the strawberries, the bananas, the blackberries, and I added a couple dashes of cinnamon just to give it a little bit of new taste. Now, after blending that all up, I've got what hopefully is a nice, delicious smoothie to pour into my mason jar. Very hipster, right? So now I have a nice green smoothie filled with spinach, delicious spinach. You don't taste it though. You taste the strawberries, you taste the banana, you taste the blackberry, a little bit of the cinnamon. It's actually pretty good. And as you see here, off camera I made another one. This one's a peanut butter smoothie with some banana, raspberries, I forget all what I put in there. Not a whole lot of stuff, but this one certainly looks different. The color of the spinach definitely makes the other one look much different, but this one is also just as good. The peanut butter really comes through in that one. I like it a lot. So that's what I've been doing, making smoothies. You got access to our Overdrive. You can find books like that on Hoopla. So dig in to that, make yourself a smoothie, and celebrate like the Great Gatsby.